everyone. This is the Smart Control Panel S. It has a 4-inch screen. The installation is very simple. It only needs to be installed on a standard European base and connected to the neutral and live wires. Next, I will show you how to use the device. The step 1 is select the language. You can see here are 5 languages: Chinese, English, German, French, and Spanish. And the step 2, you should connect to the network. So select the Wi-Fi. The step 3 is after viewing the user notice, click I agree. The step 4, you should open Tuya Smart app or other OEM app, scan the QR code, and bind the device. Step 5, log in Alexa on the mobile app. Click Amazon Alexa and click sign in with Amazon. Get started. And here enter your Amazon account.
Now your device connected the internet.
At this point, the activation of the device and the login of Alexa are completed. Now you can use the Smart Control Panel S. The Smart Control Panel S will automatically synchronize the devices and things, and there is no need to set it again. You can also use Alexa for voice control, such as Alexa, what's the weather in Philadelphia?
Right now in Philadelphia, United States, it's 50 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today's forecast has showers.
Alexa, turn on morning mode.
Okay.
Alexa, play music.
Okay. Here's iHeartRadio.
Alexa, stop.